This is an antenna tuner that was given to me yesterday or last night, and apparently this one don't work, or at least the meter don't work. And I'm gonna have a look and see if we can't or see if I can't get this thing up and running again. It has signs of being hit by lightning. It's got lots of dark spots down there, scorch marks underneath the other side of the board. I don't know if you can pick it up in the camera or not. And I have a diode here, right there, that is split. So, and whatever this is supposed to be doing over here, which I have no idea. But I'm going to take the board out and see what's going on over here, because it's not good. And this is a MFJ 948 Deluxe Versa Tuner 2. It's got on the front, you got antenna selector, coax 1, 2, direct. You got coax 1, 2 tuned, balance, external dummy load. You got peak and average, high, low, lights on or off, and of course your matching and whatever on this side. And a couple little lights was put in it by the previous owner. And they're not, they were planning on hooking them up, but they never finished them, or it didn't work, or something. I'm not sure what, but I don't know. We'll have a look at it. Maybe I can get these lights working on the front. Why not? They're there, so we'll use them. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing if we can't resurrect a MFJ 948B that's been hit by lightning, by the looks of it, stay tuned. I'll see if it's evenly possible. First, I got to get a schematic and see what in the hell these wires here are supposed to be doing. Because, yeah, I don't know, are they supposed to be grounded or something, or what? I have no idea. Alright, I'm going to get this board out now and see what's going on with the bottom of the board. Getting that board out was a little bit of a nuisance. You got to push these guys in. 3 of these got to be pushed in and loosen, or I should say unsolder all the connections. And then you got to kind of like push in and take the front and go that way or that way, whatever it covers, sides, and then push up on the board. Anyways, so we get the board up. There's some interesting things going on here on the bottom of this board. It certainly had issues over the years. I'm not going to show the bottom of it. It's in hard shape, I'll just put it that way. I'm just going to repair what's there, or at least attempt to repair what's there, and see if I can make this a bit better than what it is now, because it's not very good, put it that way. So, yeah, I'll very quickly spin it over, and that's it. That's it. Anyway, let's see if I can't figure out the traces on this thing on the bottom. Interesting. Anyway, gator on. Okay, so I fixed up the traces along here, and there's another one here that's burned up, so I fixed that one as best I could. Fixed up these ones the best I could, and I replaced the diode right there, which was split. And I got these marked as what goes where, and then I still got to try to figure out that. Yeah, still not sure what that's supposed to do, but anyways, we'll put this back in and see what happens. Hey guys, I got the MFJ 948 hooked up, and I have it hooked up to the TS440 SAT. I'm going to do make sure nobody's on frequency. Is this frequency in use, please? VO1 MDS. Is this frequency in use, please? VO1 MDS. So I already have the tuner pre-tuned, but this just shows that it's actually working. Is this frequency in use, please? VO1 MDS. I guess not. I'll put her on AM. I get like 110 watts out and about 1.5 SWR. So the 440 is definitely working, or the tuner is definitely working. Anyway, what I'm going to do with these 4 things, I still don't know what I'm going to do with those. Put lights in it? I don't know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video.